What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here, and I'm joined today with my lovely girlfriend Tamara.
Hi.
And she's going to help me pick out a winner, one of you guys, for the giveaway for the Architectural Competition Yearbook 2019. This book over here. So I've announced this giveaway a couple of weeks ago, sorry for the delay. And today we're going to be picking out the winner out of this oversized bowl of all of you guys that commented in the comment section for that post. So now, Tamara, please pick out a winner. Okay, it's getting excited, and this is the winner. And this is Muhammad. Okay, I'm going to place it here on the screen. Sorry for mispronouncing your Instagram handle. Anyways, congratulations. You won the competition's yearbook, and I'm going to be contacting you in the DMs in order for you to take this book. And also, in order for me to send you this book. Now, also for anyone else that wants to maybe buy this book, check out the competition's Archie page here on Instagram, or if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to include the link somewhere in the description. And also, if you want to follow Tamara, she has a fitness channel, so check it out at Tigress Fitness, both on YouTube and on Instagram. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Again, congratulations to this guy, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.
Bye, guys.